divisor goes on the outside. Outside is always your divisor, okay? Divisor's on the bottom, dividend's on the top. Quotient is going to be the same every time, right? You'll have an equal sign, and then your answer, your quotient. Okay? Questions on that? Yes, Portia?
This seems like we're going back to elementary.
Well, again, we're doing this just so we can build forward. Got to make sure we review our basics so that we can do really well for the future. Okay? Alright. So, one of the things, as we talk about division, right? 8 divided by 2. What you're trying to do is take 8 and divide it into 2 equal piles. Okay? So, if we have 8 dots, and I divide it into 2 equal piles, how many dots are going to be in each pile?
4.
4, right? I've got a pile of 4 here, and a pile of 4 there. Okay? So, that is what division is doing. Division is trying to divide it into different sections, essentially, or subgroupings. Okay? So 8 divided by 2, you get 2 equal piles of 4. Sometimes you're not going to have equal piles, right? We'll get there later. Just so you're aware, if I did 9 divided by 2, could I split 9 dots into 2 equal piles? No. I'd have to split one of the dots in half, right? Can't really do that. It's dot. Or dot. We don't want to break it. Alright, so 2 equal piles. The example that they use in the book is 12 over 4. So same thing. If we take 12 dots instead of 8, we can make another equal pile. So 12 divided by 4, how many? Come on. 12 divided by 4? What is it? 12 divided by 4? Careful. We're taking 12, dividing it into equal piles of 4. So how many piles do we have? 3. Good. So 12 divided by 4 is what we've got represented here. We get 3 separate groups of 4 dots. Okay? Bold word. Algorithm on your page. An algorithm is a step-by-step process to solve a particular type of problem. When mathematicians speak of a division algorithm, they are merely describing a procedure for solving a division problem. Okay? So if you see that fancy word, don't get afraid. We're just talking about solving the problem, okay? So, we are to our first example in division, 4.3. Are we all good if I erase this? Yes, Portia?
Can I see right there?
Where? Uh-huh.
I'm trying to get him.
Alright, so, our first one, 1370, divided by 5 over 5, okay? So, Damon, you're up. What am I going to do first? How do I write it? Okay? So, what do you want me to write? 13.70. Okay, you want it over here?
No.
No? Over it?
Yes.
Okay. Over it? Divided by 5. Good. Then what?
2.
Okay, so let's just rewind for a second.
I put the
5.
decimal.
Good. Always, always, always. We're going to move our decimal directly up. Always start with that. Perfect. Okay, then we're going to need to fill in every spot over a number. Okay? You can assume that that's a 0. You don't have to put that if you don't want to. But sometimes if it's a really big scary number, I'll put the 0 for my own benefit so I can see I've taken care of that spot. Okay? So, come on, we took care of that spot. What goes next? 2. And then?
10.
Okay, 2 times 5 is 10. How many do we have left? How many?
37.
Careful. Oh, 37. Okay, so 3. And then he dropped his 7. Now, how many 5s? In 37. 7. Okay. What's 7 times 5? 35. So how many are left?
20. 2.
Okay. So 2. Do it step by step. 2183 divided by 47. Alright, so Portia, you're up.
Again?
Uh-huh.
I'm kind of embarrassed by this camera.
It's okay. You can do it. 2183 divided by 47.
Okay. 2183.
2183.
Put a little tint
Over it, next to it.
right there.
Over
Right
it, next to
there.
it.
You're doing it right there.
Okay, right there.
Or the sound.
Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Start simple. How many 47s go in 2?
None.
None. Good. How many 47s go in 21?
None.
None. How many 47s go in 218? Let's estimate first, and then let's try it out. What do you think? How many 47s, if you were to round that, what would you round it to?
50.
50. What would you round 218 to?
20.
Careful. 218. What would you round 218 to?
Oh, 300.
300? 218. 218. Where would you want that to go?
220.
220.
It only
Okay.
goes in there 2 times.
We're
No.
checking. We're checking.
Good to you.
Alright, so 220, and you told me we were going to round to